Today, I am reviewing the JEDEC 128GB DDR4 RAM. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When upgrading a performance workstation or a high-end desktop computer, system memory is almost always the component that determines your true multitasking ceiling. Many users make the mistake of focusing entirely on their processor core count or their graphics card architecture, only to find their system stuttering the moment they open multiple data-heavy applications simultaneously. The JEDEC 128GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory kit completely eliminates that bottleneck by providing the maximum density available for standard desktop platforms. After putting this 4-module kit through rigorous testing in a variety of intensive professional environments, I can confidently share an authentic evaluation of how it handles real-world pressure. The configuration consists of 4 individual 32GB modules, matching the standard 288-pin layout required for modern desktop motherboards. It runs at the standard JEDEC speed of 3200 MHz, operating at a highly efficient 1.2 volts with a CAS latency of 22. What makes this particular kit incredibly reliable is its strict adherence to plug-and-play standards. Because it is pre-configured to run at its rated speed right out of the box without requiring complex basic input-output system modifications, it offers an exceptionally stable experience. You do not have to worry about adjusting memory voltages, fiddling with extreme memory profile overclocks, or dealing with the dreaded system boot loops that often plague high-density memory configurations. You simply snap the modules into your motherboard DIMM slots, power on your machine, and the system immediately recognizes the full capacity. From a real-world usability perspective, jumping to 128GB of physical memory fundamentally changes how you interact with your desktop computer. In standard daily workflows, 16 or even 32GB can fill up surprisingly fast. If you are a software developer running multiple virtual machines, a data scientist processing massive datasets locally, or a creative professional editing uncompressed 4K video footage, standard memory capacities will force your operating system to constantly cache data to your storage drive. This data swapping introduces microstutters and slows down your overall system responsiveness. With this massive unbuffered kit installed, that performance barrier completely vanishes. During testing, I was able to keep memory-intensive development environments active, run several local container instances, keep dozens of browser tabs open across multiple windows, and render a complex project file in the background without a single hint of system degradation or interface lag. The responsiveness remains completely snappy and instantaneous, giving your processor immediate, unhindered access to the necessary data pools. Another critical architectural feature of this kit is its dual-rank configuration, noted as 2R/8. Dual-rank memory modules essentially contain 2 independent blocks of memory chips that the system controller can talk to alternately. This allows for an optimization technique known as rank interleaving, which can provide a measurable performance advantage in memory-bound applications and specialized computing tasks compared to simpler single-rank modules. Combined with the non-error correcting code design, this kit focuses entirely on maximizing bandwidth and throughput for mainstream consumer and professional desktop systems, making it an ideal choice for high-end home offices, content creation studios, and engineering workstations. The build quality of the modules themselves feels robust and precise, ensuring long-term operational durability. Because they utilize standard height profiles without massive, oversized aesthetic heat spreaders, they offer exceptional physical compatibility. You will not run into clearance issues with large, dual-fan air coolers or complex liquid cooling radiator setups inside your case, making the physical installation process incredibly straightforward even in compact mid-tower enclosures. Furthermore, the complete peace of mind provided by the manufacturer is a massive benefit. JEDEC backs these modules with a comprehensive lifetime warranty and an accessible technical support team. For professionals whose livelihood depends on their computer running flawlessly day in and day out, knowing that their core hardware is protected indefinitely is an invaluable advantage. Ultimately, the JEDEC 128GB DDR4 memory upgrade is a stellar investment that delivers exactly what it promises. It bridges the gap between basic computing and absolute workflow freedom by offering massive data capacity, reliable plug-and-play stability, and an ecosystem built for sustained performance. If you are ready to unleash the full potential of your high-end desktop computer and completely eliminate memory bottlenecks from your professional routine, this high-density memory kit is a thoroughly dependable and top-tier option.